Hey everyone, imagine your life as a big wheel with 12 amazing slices, each one representing a different part of who you are. From love and family to health, career, and even your inner peace. Everything fits together. But what if someone's slices are missing? What if some slices are, missing or weak? And what will going to happen? Well, today we're gonna deep dive into the 12 life areas to help you build a balanced, happy life. Stick with me for our next hour or like next couple of minutes. Let's spin that wheel together and understand, comprehend in a rightful manner. Welcome to Exploring the 12 Life Areas, the podcast where we break down life into simple, manageable pieces. And I'm your host, Neeraj. And today we are talking about a cool idea. Your life can be divided into 12 areas like a pie chart. This comes from a diagram I found, and it's super helpful for figuring out where you are doing great and where you might need a little work or you need to rectify it. We will go through each areas one by one and explain everything and explain what it means and give you a easy tips to improve as of my best ability so that we can come out and improve ourselves. Rectification is the only thing. Reconciliation. So this podcast is about an hour long or couple of minutes long. So grab a cup of tea or tea, water, whatever you have, you just grab it. Sit back and let's explore together. Whether you are a student, parent, or just someone wanting to grow, this is for you. Let's start with the big picture. The 12 life areas are like chapters in your life story. They are health. Health is about your body and mind. Things like, let's say, sleep is a part of health, fitness, nutrition, and more importantly, the key thing is hygiene. It's very important. Second one is appearance. How you look and feel like skincare, hair, and fashion. These are the part of appearance. It's also important. So to understand a big picture, these two are the very important thing. Third one that's come up is next, love. Love means a kind of romantic relationship, dating, intimacy, and partnership, right? And fourth one is family. Family is the thing that we all are aware about. It's a sort of bond with your parents, siblings, kids, and responsibilities. It's a very responsible term, family. It's always come with commitments. And heading towards next one after family, that is, might be a friends, your social circle, events, and shared experiences play a key role. And the sixth one is career. Well, anyone's life career play a key role. Your job skills, your job, skills, networking, and work life balance. And very next is money. Money is the thing for we are living and doing everything in our throughout life, right? Income, saving, investment, and financial independence all part of money, and it they all play holistically play a key role in our all life and encourage us to do more, right? The eighth one is community. Where we are living is important. Our local events, helping others, volunteering. So community people, they all are the important thing, a part of society, essential one. 11th one, sorry, eighth one is after community, just after community is environment. Environment, either it's your country's environment, your home, cleanliness and comfort, they all associated with environment. Happy environment means happy people, bad environment means bad people, or sometimes if I'm talking about in nature, in context of nature, then cleanliness and comfort and some other stuffs that are required and important. Recreation is the 10th one, in which fun stuff like travel, sports and entertainment all part of it. Spirituality is 11th, inner peace, belief and personal reflection. And 12th one is self growth, goals, habits and personal development. These are connected like a wheel. If one part is weak, the whole wheel rolls. So let's look at each one closely. Let's pick few areas and talk about them. Health. This is the foundation. Good sleep, aim for around 7 to 8 hours, helps our brain, your brain, I mean, work better. Fitness can be a 30-minute walk daily. This can play a key role. Fitness can be a 30-minute walk is daily is important. And nutrition, eat fruits, veggies, and drink water. Hygiene, like brushing your teeth, keep keep you feel fresh and refresh. I mean, keep you feel fresh. And ask yourself, am I taking care of my body or not? If we asking this question constantly, it will ultimately grow ourselves. Next one is love. This is about relationship. Whether you are dating or in a partnership or spend quality time, listen to your partner and share kind words. And for singles, that's okay. Focus on oneself too. And moving towards and heading towards like this career, let's deep dive into it. If we delving deeper, your job or passion, learn new skills, network with people, and find a balance so work doesn't take over your life. Set small goals like finishing a task this week. So these all things make you more happy and make your career more better, far better. And self growth is also a thing. This is about becoming a better you, better person. Set a goal like reading a book, newspapers. If we get into the habit of all this, ultimately it will give a or it's proven a beneficial in long run. Build a habit like journalizing. That's what I meant, reading a newspaper and some other stuff that's required and important. We have to consider it. And whatever the fitted best, we have to take it. And reflect what I learn. What did I learn today? And these are the just examples. Pick one area to focus on this week. It's simple. Put it very simple. And for talking about some practical things, practical tips, I mean, for a make balance. Now, how do you make all 12 areas work together? Here are some few recommendations that imply, I mean, start small. I mean, pick one area like health and do one thing like drinking more water. So if we have to start small, then we move in drips and drabs and enhancing things in a rightful manner or increasing, right? Don't escalate in just one go or two go. And make a plan, write down goals for each area. For example, call our friend for the friends area. Check in every month, look at your wheel. All slices growing? So checking is important. Auditing, short of auditing, I mean financial terms. Pardon me, but check in. We can use this word. So check in every month. Look at your wheel. Are all slices are walking perfectly or not altogether? Be kind to yourself. If one area is weak, don't worry. Take it step by step. You will definitely grow in drips and drabs. Don't worry about it. Let's imagine you are busy with career. You might skip recreation. So plan a short walk or watch a movie. Balance is key. And here is your challenge for the next week. Look at the 12 areas that I already put it a image of 12 areas. While listening podcast, you can just have a look on it and understand graph. Then it's easy for you to listen or comprehending this podcast. Okay. So I'm gonna tell you something more important. Like here is your challenge for the next week. Look at the 12 areas that's what I meant earlier. So which one feels strong? Which one need work? Write it down or think about it. Perpetuality is important. Maybe your family area is great, but money needs attention. Try one small action like saving $5 or calling loved one. These are the small steps that we have to take. Okay, now let's reflect. Close your eyes for a moment. Think what makes me happy in each area. What can I improve? this help you stay connected to your life wheel. Gotcha. So we have spun up through the 12 areas together from health to self growth in this short podcast. Every part matters to some extent or to a very great extent. Don't create any misconceptions, mistaken notions in your mind about this. You just follow a path. Start with small, then gradually develop in a drips and drifts that I want. That's what I meant earlier also in this podcast. So this is what the thing I mean. Now it's time for things that we have to understand. And never forget, every part matters. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your life wheel get stronger. If you like this, share it with friends or with someone maybe who need it, right? And leave a comment if you want. And next time we will delve or we will dive deeper into one of the areas out of 12. If we discuss about this thing in future, or I will come up with next idea or podcast. So don't worry about it. Let me know which one you want, or on what topic you want. So it's totally dependent on you guys. Thanks for watching, listening, wherever wherever you listening my podcast, on which platform is depend. So thanks for listening. See you next time on exploring new fascinating ideas. Thank you.